Okay guys, so I just want to share one powerful tips for law students who wants to complete their final thesis on time. You can imagine if you can make a little progress every day, that's better than never making any progress. So if you within one day can create at least one paragraph a day, you can imagine you will have around 365 paragraphs. So you can count how much work you can accumulate at the end. So it is definitely equal to thesis or even dissertation in doctoral law student. So stop making exception and start writing.